Welcome to TwoExtraness. We are here to spice up your life. We do everything twice as nice, twice as extra. So hit, smack, or click that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that damn bell.
Hi guys, it's me here, Blia, also known as Nyachanong. Today I'm going to be doing my SHEIN lookbook for you guys with my try-on clothing from my haul the other week ago or a few weeks ago. Some of my other particular clothing are from different places. They're just paired up with my SHEIN haul. So if you guys are interested in seeing my lookbook, go ahead and stay tuned. Bye.
Something I learned from TikTok. Just doing a little transition here for you guys. Hi guys, my first outfit here. I'm wearing my SHEIN black halter top bodysuit. I decided to pair it up with my SHEIN bodycon skirt. I absolutely adore this halter top, as you can see the beautiful scallop details on the side. I decided to pair all my outfits today with these French earrings that I got from New York & Company. I absolutely love these earrings because they are just so versatile. So my second outfit here, the only thing I change is the bottom. I am wearing another bottom from SHEIN. I absolutely adore this skirt. It is super comfortable, comes with beautiful floral designs, and it's super affordable. Time to get super classy. Go ahead and pair this outfit up with a nice structured blazer so that you can wear this beautiful outfit to work. Now it's time to take over the world, ladies. Time for the third outfit. I adore this beautiful bodysuit from SHEIN. I love the beautiful tribal patterns on there. The bodysuit is a little bit tight, so I'm going to dance until it stretches out. The pants that I'm wearing are also from SHEIN. Alright guys, time for the fourth outfit. I decided to pair this SHEIN bodysuit with this pencil skirt from Nordstrom, and of course my structure blazer. If blazer's not for you, you can take it off if you choose to do so. I know you guys don't want this to end, but this is my last and final outfit for my SHEIN lookbook. I'm wearing the same SHEIN bodysuit, and I decided to pair it up with the SHEIN paper bag style pants. I am so in love with these pants. They are so comfortable, and you can wear them up or down as in business casual, or if you're just going out for a stroll in the city.
Thank you guys for tuning in with TwoExtraness. Just want to thank you guys for staying this far. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up or that like button. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new to our channel. Anyways, I'm in like a really singing mood. I can't sing, but if you guys have any questions on the clothing that I worn, go ahead and write them down below, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. And all right babes, as always, stay extra.